Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared a special recipe for upcoming events. So here is my chicken meatloaf cordon bleu. This amazing recipe you need to try. This recipe is perfect for the upcoming events like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Do surprise your friends and family with this amazing recipe and maybe something new. Come with me, let's cook together. Start by preparing your white onions. Cut them in half and then smaller pieces and place them into a food processor, together with garlic and red peppers that are also cut into smaller pieces. Clean the red pepper by removing the seeds and the white part. Blend all the ingredients together into smaller pieces for a few minutes. Do not make them into puree, just smaller. It is ready when it looks like this. In a separate bowl, place minced chicken meat and add the ready mixture together. Add the eggs, season with salt, pepper, and finally add in the breadcrumbs. Give this all a good mixture. Best way to do is with your hands. Mix until you have evenly mixed mass and no lumps. Next step is to place the mixture into a baking paper and even it down into rectangular size and even layer. On the mixture, place your first level of cheese to cover it all evenly. Next layer is the ham, also nicely so all the cheese is covered. And finally, followed by another layer of extra cheese. Look at this, it's gonna be so juicy and nice. It's time to start rolling your chicken. Use your baking paper to roll back the mixture into nice and tight roll. One tip before you do this is to make correct measurement of the length when using a baking form, so it will fit nicely, and avoid this little miss I had. But other option is to cook the roll openly on a tray, but keep an eye on it for the cheese not to run away from the inside. Cook the meatloaf for about 45 minutes with 200 degrees until golden brown. Let it cool down for a few minutes and serve it as it is. Cut slices and share with everyone. Also, the best is served with a simple mustard sauce. If you want me to share my super easy go-to sauce recipe, then please leave me a comment and I will share it with you. This chicken meatloaf is a perfect addition for upcoming family gatherings and for sure is something new you can try to make to impress. Get ready to elevate your festive gatherings with a dash of flavor. Enjoy! This amazing chicken cordon bleu meatloaf will blow your mind. This is something new to try for this festive upcoming season. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content then please subscribe, ring the bell and put a like. Also, I appreciate when you would comment on my videos and tell me what you like and what would you like me to cook. Thank you. Bye.